Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to review Born Pretty Store Mirror Black Nail Powder. Well, chrome pigments are very trendy these days and a lot of variations are available now, and one of them is a black mirror nail powder. This gives your black nails a very beautiful mirror shiny metallic effect, and I'm really happy that Born Pretty Store sent this product for review to me. And yeah, let's get started and I will show you how I used this product. So this product comes in this small jar, and you also get one sponge applicator to apply this product on the nails. I was also sent one silicone brush. This is a double-sided silicone brush, and I will be using this also to apply this nail powder and see if there is any difference in the result, because I have watched a few videos on YouTube which shows that if we use silicone brush, the shine is better and the result are better rather than just using only the sponge applicator. So I will be comparing the result as well. So yeah, let's get started, and let me open the jar and show you the actual product. As you can see here, it has a protection seal, and once you remove the seal, you can see the actual product, and the quantity is quite good. It is mentioned on the website that it's 0.5 gram, so it's a very good deal. And yeah, let's start with the application process now. My nails are already prepped with the black gel polish and a no wipe top coat, and now I'm going to apply the nail powder. So I'm taking a little bit of powder on sponge applicator and dabbing on the nail, and as I'm rubbing, you can see the shine is also coming through, and this is the final result. It looks beautiful. You can see definitely there is a mirror effect here, you can see that. Now I will on another nail I'm going to apply the powder using silicone brush. So yeah, let's see. Well, I am really enjoying using this silicone brush. It's very smooth and very soft on the nail. Plus, I feel that shine is better as compared to the sponge one. Maybe because it's gliding so smoothly, and you know, you can press a bit harder using this brush. So definitely, I'm loving this brush, and yeah, a big thumbs up. I really love the result with the brush. So this is the result after first application, and this pigment is really good. So you can see that in one application you can get the beautiful mirror effect, but I wanted to apply one more layer and see how it looks. So here I'm applying one more layer of the pigment. In my first application, I found that picking the powder with the help of silicone brush was really tricky. So what I did here, I am using sponge applicator to dab the product on the nail, and then with the help of silicone brush I will rub the powder on the nail. Using these both together actually was easier, and I find the result was also good. So yeah, you can use these both together to get a better result. And here is the final look. And as you can see, this product is really beautiful. The shine is really gorgeous, and there is definitely a mirror effect. So a very big thumbs up to Born Pretty Store for this pigment. And if you want to try out this product, then you can find the link of this product in the description box below. So guys, thanks a lot for watching. Give this video a thumbs up and leave your feedback in the comment section below. For my future videos, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will be back with a new video very soon. Till then, take care. Goodbye.